How to create Crunchyroll account. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your preferred. Wait for the application to load. And now from here, tap on the image icon, profile icon from your top right corner, then go to create account. From here, a creating account form will appear. Simply enter your phone number or your email and then check this box of this latest offer if you want to get the latest offer, but if you don't check it. Now simply enter your email like this. Make sure to add the correct email. And then go to next. Now create a password. Now go to create password and done. After creating the password, your account will be created. So
Thank you
that's
for
it.
watching
Thank
this
you for
video.
watching this
Make sure to
video.
like, share,
Make
and
sure to
subscribe
like,
to our
share
YouTube
and
channel.
subscribe to our
If you
YouTube
got
channel.
any question,
If you
comment
got
them
any
down
question,
and I'll
comment
get
them
to you in the
down
next
and
one.
I'll catch you in the next one.